Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will see solutions of some basic example of Let Us See book chapter 1. Friends, this video will helpful for those students who want to revise the C language skills. So friends, I have taken some questions from Let Us See book for chapter 1. Let's see the question first. So friend, these are the 13 questions which have in chapter 1. So we will take few questions from all the 13s and we will find out the solution of each question. So before starting, if you are a new user, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for a new video notifications. Now let's start. First, first we can take first question first. So I just copy this question and here I will create a new file. I will paste my question here. Let me give a comment here and yes, this is my first question. First I will save this file. So where I will say in C programs, let us see, and this is my question 1 and let us see getting started. This is my question 1 and this is my file type C and C++ files. I will save this. Now I will write my first answer of this question. The question is Ramesh basic salary is input to a keyboard. His DA is 40% of his basic salary and HRA is 20% of his basic salary. Write a program to calculate his gross salary. So we will write include std ios standard input output dot h include conio dot h int main here we will take float. What variable we need basic salary. So for basic salary I am defining BASIC, or I can write BASIC basic SALARY basic salary. I need DA, I need HRA, I need gross salary. First we will print the basic salary of Ramesh, print printf enter the basic salary of Ramesh. Scanf. My basic salary is float, so I will write %f comma and percentage of basic salary. Now I will calculate DA. I can give comment, proper comment, calculate CALCULATE, calculate allowance DA. DA equals to, I will remove the space, DA equals to basic salary. As per the question, DA is a 40% of his basic salary. So basic salary into 40 divided by 100. So this is the formula of calculating DA. I will give print statement, printf here I will give this statement in another line, give one more line. DA equals to DA calculate equals to, this should be percentage F comma DA. This will give me the value of DA. Similarly, I need to calculate HRA. So I will just calculate house rent, and in a place of DA I will write HRA equals to basic salary, 20% of his basic salary. So I will write house rent HRA, and this will calculate HRA. Now I will calculate I will calculate gross salary. So here I will paste this line and calculate GROS is gross, SALARY salary. So here I will calculate gross salary. I will copy this gross salary and paste here. Gross salary equals to basic salary plus DA plus HRA. So here I will write RAME Ramesh gross salary equals to percentage F, and here I will write gross salary. Return 0. I will save and I will run this. Enter the basic salary of Ramesh. So I just enter 65,000. So it calculate DA is 26,000 and HRA is 13,000. So Ramesh overall salary is 1,04,000. So this will calculate your gross salary. Now we will move to the next question. This one. So here I will open another file, empty file, and I will copy paste my question here. Let me do this. And as per the question, distance between, calculate distance. So this is question 2. So I just give question 2 question2.c. it will save in .c file. Now I will calculate the distance. So I will write include stdio studio.h into main. As per the question, the distance between two cities in kilometer. Keyboard write a program to convert and print the distance in meter, feet, inch and centimeter. So first what we need, if you want you can use int, otherwise you can use float also. So I am using float because maybe the answer will give me in points. So float, what I do, I want kilometer, km for kilometer, we need mt for meter, we need ft per feet, inch and cm, centimeter. Now we will printf enter the distance of two cities in kilometer equals to scanf percentage f, because I took a float, and of km. Now if I have done this, then we need to calculate all distance in different distance unit. So first we will calculate meter. So mt equals to km into 1000. I will print this, or if you want you can convert everything and then give print statement. This is up to you. The distance of two cities in meter is equals to, this will be f comma mt. Similarly, I just copy everything so that I can give just small changes. Now I will change to centimeter, so that should be cm. Cm equals to meter mt into 100. This will give me the distance in centimeter. So this should be calculate cm in centi, centimeter. Cm equals to meter into 100. So this will give me the distance of two cities in centimeter equals to percent cm. Now I will calculate the distance in inch. So in the place of mt I will write inch. Inch equals to centimeter cm divided by 2.54. This will give me the distance in inch. So the distance of two cities in inches, inches, inches is percentage f, and this will give me inch. Similarly, I will paste for ft feet. So in the place of meter I will write ft. This should be feet. Feet equals to inch divided by 12. So this will be inch divided by 12. The distance of two cities in feet. Feet equals to, this should be ft. Now everything is done. I will compile and run. Enter the distance in two cities in kilometer. So I just write 150.8. The distance of two cities in meter is this. The distance of two cities in centimeter, the distance of two cities in inches, and distance of cities in feet. So this will calculate your distance. Now just move to the next question. If the marks obtained by the this one, so I will just copy this, Control C. Here I will create another empty file. I will paste the question here so that you can easily understand the question and the solution. So this is the question. First I will save this. I will just give question 3. So as per the question, if the marks obtained by the student in 5 subjects are input through a keyboard, find out the aggregate marks and percentage marks obtained by the student. Assume that maximum marks can be obtained by the student in each subject is 100. That means every subject is include 100 marks. Maximum marks is 100 of each subject. So let's calculate first. We will write include stdiostudio.h we will need, if you want you can find out the marks in integer. So let me write integer int. We will write maths, science, English, Hindi, and write history. How many subjects? 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will give print statement. Enter the marks, marks, enter the marks of math subject. Here you can enter the marks of math subject. Scan. This will be a percentage D because I have taken integer, and this should be maths. Before this, what we required, we required aggregate marks and percentage. Aggregate means is total marks and percentage marks. So this may be total marks should be in aggregate, AGGRE GRAT, aggregate MARKS, marks, and my percentage should be in float, FLOAT, float equals to PERCENTAG, percentage, percentage marks. So this will calculate maths. Similarly, I will copy paste for remaining 4 subjects. 1 2 3 4, and this should be a 5 subjects. This is marks. Then I will just copy this for science, and I will paste science here. Similarly, I will copy English, I will paste for English. Hindi subject, and the last one is English, history. So I will paste here, and I want each subject in next line. Now what we will calculate aggregate marks. Here I can write CALCULATE, calculate. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate aggregate marks. So how can we calculate aggregate marks? This is aggregate marks, so I will just write aggregate marks equals to marks of math subject plus marks of science subject plus marks of English subject plus marks of Hindi subject plus marks of history subject. So I will print this. Here I will write, I just give 3 lines. The aggregate marks, of 5 SUBJEC subjects are percentage D, and this will give me aggregate marks. Now we will calculate percentage. I just copy the line, calculate percentage marks, percentage, percentage marks. So percentage marks should be a float. So what will I do? I will just percentage marks equals to, the formula should be aggregate marks divided by 5, because I have 5 subjects. So this should be a percentage F, because I am using float for percentage. So the aggregate, so this will be the percentage, percentage, percentage marks of 5 subjects, of percentage marks of a student. This should be a right statement. Percentage marks of a STUDE, student, student is. So this will calculate my percentage marks. RETU return 0. I will save and build and run. Enter the marks of math subject. I just write 95. Enter the marks of science subject, 89. Enter the marks of English, 78. Enter the marks of Hindi subject, 80. Enter the marks of history, 85. So the aggregate marks of 5 subjects are 427, percentage achieved 85%. So this is the way you can solve the third question. Now move to the fourth one. The temperature of a city in Fahrenheit degree is input to a keyboard. Just copy, I just copy this question. Here I will create another empty file. I will paste this question here. What will I do? Yes, now I will just save this. I will write question 4. Now I will calculate what it is asking. Include stdio studio.h. So let's go for the question. What is it asking? The temperature of a city in Fahrenheit degree is input through a keyboard. Write a program to convert this temperature into centigrade degree. So what we will need float value, because temperature is not an integer. So let's do it. float float. We need Fahrenheit for F. F I am using for Fahrenheit and C is using for centigrade. Printf enter the temperatu, enter the temperature in Fahrenheit degree. So I just copy this word, equals to scanf, should be percentage F, because I am using float, and this should be end of F. F is for Fahrenheit. Now we will calculate the how can we calculate? So let me find out the formula. Formula should be, now we will calculate, we can write one comment here, CALCUL, it calculate the temperature, calculate the temperature in centigrade degree. So I just paste here. Now how can we calculate? C equals to 5 let me use bracket, 5 divided by 9 into F minus 32, or you can say this F minus 32 divided by, everything is divided by 9. This will give me the temperature in centigrade. So I will write printf the, let me, the temp, oh, the temperature in centigrade degree or this will give me percentage D, no, percentage F comma C, return 0. Now we will run this, compile and run. Now it will ask me enter the temperature in Fahrenheit degree. I just write 99.7. So the temperature in degree centigrade is 37.611111. So this will calculate my Fahrenheit degree into centigrade degree. Now what you can do, let's go for the next question. The length and width, I will just copy this question number 5. Here I will go for empty file. In comment I will provide the question. So this is the question. What will I do? I will first save this file. This should be question number 5. Include stdio studio.h, include conio.h int main. So what is the question? The length and width of a rectangle and radius of a rectangle are input through a keyboard. Okay, write a program to calculate the area and perimeter of rectangle and area and circumference of a circle. Okay, fine. So we will take everything in a float because length should be in class. What we will do, will length should be 5.1, 5.2 like this. So we will calculate this length and width in float. Float L for length, B for width, radius R for radius of a circle, what we need, area, we need program to calculate the area and parameters. So area of a rectangle, so I just writing AR, parameter of a rectangle PR, area of a circle AC, and circumference of a circle CC. These are the variables which I am going to use. So first we will enter the length. Printf, enter the length of a rectangle equals to whatever unit you want to use. You can use scanf percentage F because I am using float and %L. This will give me the value of length. Similarly, I will just copy it. I will paste here, find out the width. So I will just, in a place of length, I will use width, and this should be B. Let me write in a bracket L so that everyone can easily understand whose value I am going to print. Again, now I will calculate the area of a rectangle. So here I will give the comment, calculate the area of a rectangle. So for area of a rectangle we will use AR. AR equals to L into B. L into B is the formula to calculate the, so let me confirm, area L into B. So it should be L into B. Now we will use print statement. Here I will use next line because it will not be able to clear. The area of a rectangle are percentage F and AR. Similarly, we will calculate the parameter of rectangle. So here I will write calculate the parameter. So in the place of area I will paste parameter, and the formula should be, for parameter of rectangle PR, so I will using PR equals to 2 in a bracket L plus B. This will calculate the parameter of, so the parameter of rectangle, oh sorry, control that, this is the parameter of rectangle is PR. Similar activity we will do for a circle. So first we will enter the, now printf enter, so this will be in 2-3 lines. Enter the radius, radius, enter the radius of a rectangle. This should be denote by R, and here I will find out the rectangle radius. Now we will calculate the area of circle, area of circle, CARCLE. Calculate the area of a circle. So area of a circle should be AC. So here I will write AC equals to, the area of a circle is 2 pi r square. So in the place of pi I will use 3.14 pi into r square, means r into r. Now we will use the print statement. The area of a circle, CIRC, area of a circle are percentage, and this should be a circle AC. Now again we will calculate the circumference CC. So what will I do? I will just copy this line, I will paste here, calculate the circumference CC. So I will just copy, this will be circumference of a circle, CIRCLE. So what is the formula of circumference? The circumference is 2 pi r. So what will I do? I will write 2 into 3.14 into r. This will calculate the formula of circumference of a circle. So the circumference of a circle, circle, circle is cc. Now here I will give retu return 0. First we will see that everything should be fine. Enter the length of a rectangle L, here L. Enter the width of a rectangle B, B. Calculate area of rectangle AR, L into B and AR. Calculate the parameter of rectangle, so it should be PR equals to 2 into L plus B, so this will calculate PR. Now enter the radius of a rectangle R, so it will type R. Now calculate the area of a circle, pi r square, pi r AC, and calculate the circumference of circle 2 pi r. Now we will save and run this, build and run. It is giving me error. Error should be PR 2 into L plus B. Maybe this will calculate like this. Now yes. Enter the length of a rectangle L. L should be, I just write 5.9 and width should be 3.7. So the area of a rectangle is 21.83 unit and the parameter of rectangle 19.2 unit. Now enter the radius of a okay, here should be the circle. I have just copied the rectangle. It's fine. I will change it. So R should be 5.1. So the area of a rectangle circle is 81.67 unit and circumference is 0.00. Okay. I have just 2 into PR. Here should not be. It should be CC. And here I will change the enter the radius of a circle, CIRCLE. Now everything should be fine. I will run it again. Here I will write 2.8, 1.2, circle radius of a circle is 3.1. So it will calculate everything whatever we want. So friend, this is the way we have today we have run 1 2 3 5 questions. So remaining 7-8 questions you will practice, and if you feel any issue then let me know, or you can comment me in my video. I will provide you the solution of each and every question. So if you think this is a useful video for you, then please like the video, share with your friends, and also subscribe my channel for a new video notifications. Till then, keep practicing and have a great day. Thank you.